Hello guys, shoutout sa inyo. Maayong bundag sa ninyo da. So, magandang umaga. So, kailan mo ani? Pako? Yan. Oh. Ano to sa Tagalog? Ano to pangalan nito? Sa Bisaya, Pako. Pako sa mo ani pangalan. Pangalan na mo ani, Pako. Ito naman, alam ko yung TV. Alam ko yung TV. 50 inches na TV. Ito yun na sudan ano. Yung ano yung paghagpat. Paghagpat ba na? Hagpatan na to ni kay para ano. Ang dabis ani kilaw. Yung ano yung ano lang ng pinakulo na tubig. Kung sa Bisaya papakuratan na og kanang init nga tubig, pait na. Butangan dayon og sibuyas dahon, luya, suka. Okay, pait na. Lami kayo niyo. Kating lami kayo. Pako. Sa probinsya, Pako. Ambot na siya, Tagalog, anong pangalan nito? Basta Bisaya tadako. Hinahin natin yung ano, air color na to, air color ng aircon. Ano, lahat dito binibili sa Manila. Lahat dito binibili. Yan. Marami-rami din to eh. Dagan eh. Dagan mo gani yung gipalit. Inani ka. Inani ka daghan, 60 pesos na ni. 60 pesos na ni mga idol. Shout out mga badi. Mga badi itlog. 60 pesos na ni kayo nani ka daghan lang. Sa probinsya wala na, daghani kayo sa probinsya oh. Pako. Kami tayo ni. Pagpata na to, lami kayo kilawon. Kilawin. Hatiin ko lang siguro para mamayang gabi din. Hahatiin. Pako. So, gagawa pa ko ng ano, Netflix account para manonood tayo ng labas. Grabe ito, bandaming pa ko. Inani ka daghan, 60 pesos na ni. Pero sa probinsya nagikuha rin sa gilid-gilid. Sa gilid-gilid rin sa probinsya. Gilid sa sapa, basta sa bundok, daghang kayo ni. Ay ka daghan sa bundok. Lami mang good ni. Ang balaning anong lami man ni.
What are you doing? I thought you retired.
Pako.
I need a favor.
What kind of favor?
A name, address.
Yung pako na words. Sa ano,
Not easy.
sa Tagalog, pako.
Even the FBI can't find these people.
Pako.
Well,
Pako. Hindi pako.
Show me the details, standby.
Kami kayo niyo. Taon, basta sa Manila, taran ginapalitan ng
Kidding. This one kicked my butt. They're routing all over the world.
You found them.
Sure.
ginapalitan ng mga ano diri, pagkaon. Sa probinsya makasugnod na ka, makaduag na ka kahoy.
Whoa.
Rolling.
How you think you're going, pal?
Is United there?
Muna akong
This is private
studio
property.
type na
You're
boarding house.
trespassing.
5,000 ako ang monthly diri ah.
I'm gonna burn it down.
5,000
Yeah, that's not
tagyaw.
happening, buddy. You're not going any fucking where except right the fuck back the way you
Grabe
came.
din pa ko no.
Do you know what they
Ako
do
din
here?
sa laron, salad,
Buddy, I'm counting to three.
sibuyas dahon,
1, 2, 3.
pakuluan.
There.
Pagpatan ako ni para
You aware this is a criminal outfit? Scamming the weakest in our society? Stealing everything they have? Do you know that's who you work for?
work for. Kumot ba? Ang bango. Ano pala to dito?
Looking for the call center.
Mahal na to.
Yeah, you're in the
Sa
right
ano
place.
sa probinsya ni,
Sign in here.
tag 5 piso man siguro ni. Tag 5. Tag 10.
Tell any of the
Ganun.
companies in the building to
Pulo ba,
evacuate
pulo?
now. There's gonna be a
10
fire.
pesos.
Okay. Thanks.
Dariya, 60 pesos na nani ka Lamay ka rin, sa gulag ko ano.
Hang up the phone.
This Perkins? So sorry, I'll have to call you.
Everyone. Need your attention, please.
Akong kusina, nag-ano ko dito, nag-adobo. Adobo ng baboy. Yan. Okay na siguro to. Ano lang? Ano lang kasimple yung ano ko dito. Ano lang kasimple yung semi-apartment ko na. Semi-apartment. Shoutout sa inyo daa guys. Hindi rin makarelate ani. Hanagin na. Mga nabuhay kitag. Huwag ka na ni. Lumang tayo. Piyaway. Lami ba? Adobong manok. Bili ko sa manok ay 400 ano yun?
Sometimes I use fire to smoke out hornets.
It's a multi-million-dollar operation, asshole. Okay, so you can't come up here white knighting shit.
Wala akong rep.
Will you stomp his ass out, please?
Okay, okay. Nator na mo sa ako ang kusina. Nator na ta mo. So padayon tanim pa ko. Padayon tanim pa ko hagpat kay akong salaron. Lami gid din sa salaron. Ang pako, pako.
Garnett? Mr. Garnett. I don't care if you're friends here, live or die. The next
Sagbot
call
ng
from
guy.
you is fishing skin.
Para mo gulis
This
sagbot lang.
closer will make a spark across these wires. Given all of the gasoline
Ah,
fumes in
talaga.
here. Promise you. Nothing alive in here won't be.
Guys, we might want to dip out.
Come to me. Take my hand. Huwag magpatani.
Hey.
Dali naman eh, suka lang ni, tas sibuyas.
Get
Butag kamatis, alam ikaw
oat
rin.
milk, of course, and extra Chavez Press, of course. Thank you. Good morning. Did we get the otoro and the onion?
Yes, sure.
We did.
Yes.
Finally, great. Arigato gozaimasu. Hey, Michaela,
Yes.
it came back. The whole thing, yeah, and it's like I can barely fucking know it's all sweet.
Mama.
Oh, those are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the new bowls.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
What? I'm in a meeting.
You said hit me on voice if there's an emergency.
Okay. Right. Well,
It seems we had a discount.
Wala akong country, balay.
I just
Boarding
can't
house.
comprehend why you're bothering me. Just
Boarding house.
get in touch with the attorney and start shoving back.
Well, yeah, I don't think that legal's gonna help much.
Okay, tell me what the fuck is going on right now.
This dude just strolls in, saying we're stealing from people.
Okay, naman na.
Tears through.
Okay, natapos na ako ng ano yung pako.
Tissue
Pako.
and
Wala na
what-
kadaghan, no? Ako nagpak.
And he burns the place to the ground.
60 pesos ni.
Yeah, the
Ano yung
cost-
nakadaghan? 60 pesos na.
I'm standing here staring at a $30 million building.
Pako. Pare sana likuan ka ng
Giant fucking ashtray.
sibuyas, tapos
Four people
suka,
can get out.
chili,
You're
goods
telling
na.
me that this asshole burned the entire
Goods
building
na.
down and dropped 4 fucking
Dila na po na ako
bodies?
na-mix
Yeah,
niya.
that's not exactly.
Tapon.
You really ran CIA in your phone. You can't just find some guy in Massachusetts. I just need a name.
Grabe. Pakuluan na ng saglit. Iwa. Ano, natitibok kami.
Passion for the moment someone snaps with whatever, but
Mag-add na tao. Sibuyas, siyempre. Kunali kasi import niya akong kanimalay. Uy! Kanimalay. Tapos, kuha tawag sibuyas o kamatis. Yan kamatis. Ano, 10 pesos isang balot, 10 pesos kamatis. Pilag nga kamatis. Sarap yan. Oh, nalaglag. Nahagbong pag yun. Nakam sama. Ano kamatis? 5 kabo kamatis, tapos sibuyas. Tapos chili. Chili natin. Chili, kalamansi. Ganyan. Chili, dalawa, tsaka kalamansi. Ganyan. So, magpakulo lang tadiri o pakulo lang yan ano. Saglit lang yung pakulo. Tapos, syempre, hugasan. Hugasan. Ang pako. Hugasan na ito ang pako. Na. Kami ba yung sabawan eh? Sabaw. Ato ni labay sa CR. At sa habang panahon dito lang din natin pakuluan. Bilis lang yan. Pako. Dito lang din natin pakuluan. Yan. Tapos siyempre ang ating itabi natin itong ating ano lighter may ipis ba yun itak ang layon pag humat mag-add taog sibuyas. Ito 10 pesos para naman sibuyas. picturehan. Ang kamatis, kuna natin ng ano, buto. Kanang liso ba? Kana to og liso ang sibuyas. Oh, kamatis. Ay, kinukunan ko yan ng ano, yung buto-buto yung kamatis. Chili. Gasa para okay. Uyas. Pako. Ah. Muna ako ang Ricardo sa ako ang salad na pako. Kaya pilar ni kami noto. I-slice na natin ang kamatis. Ganyan lang, pati. Hati lang. Tungaw lang nato ang kamatis kay sibuyas. Chili, luya. Yung luya natin na lami kaayo. Yan. Lamig yun ang ayaw yun.
Are you okay?
Yeah, why they do it.
I think there's a little modest chance that the food will burn down the other guy would send that
Ayan lang, slice na. Lagyan natin ng asin para okay yung lasa. Lami ang pako. Lami.
What's he saying about bees? I don't know. They're like protecting the hive or something.
Meron tayong ano. Kanin. Lagyan ng ano.
Fuck you. That's it.
Mangkok ko rin. Gusto mangkok. Apa na nga?
And you say one guy is you killed 7 armed men without firing a shot.
And he said he was gonna kill me.
What is your state of mind? Consumer service.
Hmm.
Yes.
Lami kayong adobo.
One office, I got it. The only thing you know about him, he says he's speaking.
Siyempre tubig.
Like his whole brand.
Tubig, lagyan ng pwede magtulog.
There's someone who is elevated, fucking up to an art form.
Okay na ang atong salad.
This might well be.
So okay na siya. Yan po, okay na po. Yung salad.
If a beekeeper says you're gonna die,
So gamitan natin ng ano.
there's nothing I can do or anybody else.
Gamitan natin salaan. Puro lami kayo ng sabawan eh. Kaya nga ano, ang sabawan lami kayo.
But I took this trip to stay with your mom. Keep her reputation safe, her name safe.
Fucking name.
Alright. Oh, sit down. I put up with you. I put up with you. Top boys kept you out of jail. Yes, it was 3 years.
Lami gina pa ako. Nasa bawa ito may ipapit sa bawa.
You're scared? Yeah, right, I'm scared. Terrified. So should you be?
Itong sabaw, lagyan natin ng ano, bitching konti.
Tell me what the fuck
He's probably the last pair of eyes that give us sleep.
Okay, listen. Remember our favorite burning building? That's data group. Guys who work there are hackers, conmen, fraudsters, etc.
Okay na ang pako, okay na.
Garnet.
Tapos,
He's a known associate.
ito.
But I got meetings with him now.
Kalamansi.
I had to analyze some shit, and I think I'm starting to get the animal.
Tapos chili. Siyempre yung chili pigain natin.
Several call centers, so there's got to be like a central office that's controlling all of them, and that's what we got to find. This could be like a $1 billion.
Pigain natin yung chili dalawa.
Hell yeah. Did you hear a single word I just said?
Yeah.
And?
I'm just thinking you come in here hungover on your day off, get more yardage on the screen, the whole squad is in 2 years.
Yeah, what? You're fucked with my family. Did you get on site?
Ayan, suka.
Yeah.
Vinegars. Ito na. Mahala ka dyan ah. So, nakaluto na ako. So dito na tayo.
I ran his prints through every database I can think of. No hits.
Ayan.
These Judas follow military all day.
Muna akong pako. Yan ang pako.
Jessica,
Ito ako magmi-mix.
You know why I'm calling.
Bahala mo
you
diyan.
know I'd do anything
Lagayan natin. So butangan ako suka. Ayan, suka.
for you.
Derek's scared shitless. I've never seen him this scared.
Well,
Nakadaghan.
he's made his bet.
I'll give you a blue suit on the holding company. That's another $1 million a year. Plus, you promised you'd
Bitchin
take
gamay.
care of him.
Look, I don't need that. I have enough.
So you
Tapos,
got this?
ano yung mga arikado niyo? Ano?
Yeah.
Kamatis,
Yeah, my
sibuyas, chili, luya.
Wallace. I still think
Ano na?
you
May chili pa.
do. Sometimes.
So,
Sometimes.
mix na to. Dire na ako na siya mix pero ilipat ko lang dito. So meron na tayong
Kaya mapapaikot mo ang pera.
salad. Ano ba ito salad natin?
Mahigit 500 branches nationwide. Gusto po negosyo.
Kami.
Ako sa video network ba? Dagdag ko doon sa negosyo. Ngayon,
Kaya kulang asin ito, asin natin.
Let's make it umami. Umami! Uniquely rich flavor.
I-mix na to, i-mix. Atong salad nga pako.
Mix of
Ano,
premium
magili tayo good.
ingredients. Make it umami. Make it umami with a new Ladies' Choice Japanese style
Miyawi.
mayonnaise.
Kasi ating ano, ilipat dito. Okay, pako natin, pako. Yan.
That Garnett?
Being strapped to an old pickup. Check this out.
Wala, pagting lami ah. Ano? Masarap. Tapos hindi ako maano. Bye-bye.
Does this mean you've taken pity on an old man?
So your problem? He's retired from the program.
God help us now.
Wala, ang sarap. Ayan. Hindi ako makontento pag ano, walang chili. Chili ulit. Yan, chili, suka. Tapos kailangan panibagong chili ulit.
Excuse me.
lami kayong sudan eh. Lami kayong sudan idol. Miyawi. Magkanin tayo, magkanin. Yan.
You've been a busy day. You're supposed to be
Kaya na.
retired.
I'm assuming you're my
Diretso
replacement.
na. Ito yung ano, sabaw ng pako. Sabaw na ito pinagsasalaran. Ang nagsasalad ko. Dami ako eh. Adobong manok. Ako naman isang dire, hindi magkinamot ko. Tulog. Kumain ako para pag matulog. Mamaya ng hapon magising. Pahinga kasi panggabi kasi
I
duty.
need your keys.
Ganyan pag magpanggabi, nagtrabaho ka, tapos pag uwi, ikaw pa magluto.
There's an issue. Problem has not been solved.
Well, that is a surprise.
The beekeepers have studied the situation and have decided to remain
Sarap mag ano,
neutral.
kumain ng kamay.
He was their man, for fuck's sake.
Sorry, Wallace. You're on your own.
Kinakamay ko lang ito mga idol, ako lang kasi dito eh.
Thought you could fucking handle this.
I can't handle this.
Thank you.
What you got for us, detective? That's a vehicle registered to Anisette Landress. The ATF are en route inbound to take care of it.
We're way cooler than ATF.
I'll show you why I called him.
Lami kayo. Masuka.
That's a minigun. They use those on military vehicles. Did you know that puppy shoots 6,000 rounds a minute?
I know.
Did you know that's 100 rounds a second?
Yep, I know.
Did you know that you know a lot?
Yes, I do. It's because I minored in math. Pretty smart guy, actually.
Okay, then do you know who Anisette Landress is?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead and tell me.
Someone who doesn't
Tagal naman ma-upload yung video.
our government database. Someone who's a ghost, like our good friend Adam Clay.
Beekeeping for beekeepers. Here's another reason that Anisette Landress is like our good friend Adam Clay. Do you know it's that way?
Springfield, where the call center was for.
Yung Facebook page natin nasa
And that way, where Adam Clay's headed?
52k na tayo followers. 52k.
Let's go.
Marami kayong pako, hotdog din ako na eh.
Leave him alone, don't do those things, they go on. Sit down, make yourself comfortable. When I was sworn in as director, I was read into programs I never imagined existed. Well, there are programs even I wasn't privy to,
Sarap kumain pag ano, pag may chili talaga.
like beekeepers. The honeybee. It's always had a special relationship with humanity, a sacred relationship. Why? No bees, no agriculture, no civilization. Our nation,
Sabaw. Sabaw sa pako.
not unlike a beehive with its complex systems of workers, caretakers.
Wala ko balo kung
and
pangunsa ning pako kung padugang
If any
bagdugo o unsa ba.
Beehive's complex mechanisms are compromised, the hive collapses. Someone long time
Sa talaga
ago
nagpakubay.
decided that a mechanism was needed to keep our nation safe. A mechanism outside the chain of command, outside the system. Its one mission, to keep the system safe. Beekeepers are given all resources, empowered to act on their own judgment. For decades they have quietly worked to keep the hive safe. That is, until now. It appears that a retired beekeeper has gone off program and is acting in what he mistakenly believes is the hive's best interest.
Can't somebody just pick up the phone and tell this yahoo to stay the fuck down?
That's the one thing beekeepers don't do. Stand down. Not unlike bees
Adobo.
themselves, beekeepers keep working until they die.
Basically one of us.
No. He's not like you. If you were in the same room,
Nakita nyo, ganyan
he
talaga.
would kill you. With enough of you, then maybe you just might, in fact, be able to
Tapos
kill
sarap.
him before he accomplishes his goal.
What would that be?
To kill his way to the top
Sala,
of the
Doc.
hive. Mr. Pettis, you should get your people moving.
Ay, sabaw pa sa. Siyempre, suka. Pero hindi ako kampante kasi hindi mahangsado.
Dude, bees are interesting little shits. Did you know that?
Sosyo ko pa tayo gumawa ko ng anong sasawan.
Listen. Some bees are queen slayers, which will rise up and kill their queen if she fails to produce the right kind of male offspring.
Fascinating. No.
Nope.
No.
No.
It's your turn.
No.
Yeah.
Special Agent Parker. Yeah. Okay.
Nantok na. Ubusin ko talaga ng ano, pako kay yung salad. Kasi pangit na yun pag ano. Mamaya ka pa. Ako. Itong salad ng pako, iba na yung lasa pag ano, magtira ka na ito. Mga ilang oras, mapangit na yung lasa. Magpakabusog kasi walang pasok. Ano, shifting na. Ano nga yun, 15 shifting na. Sa panggabi ako, shifting na, wala pa sa gabi. Sa 16, bukas, wala rin ako pasok. Day off. Kaya, mag-relax muna si Corton. Ubus ko na ako. Pero may sabaw.
Kulang ang nutrients ng lutong bahay. Mag-Whiskas para sa 100% complete and balanced nutrition. Love them like family, feed them like cats. Whiskas.
Kamatis.
Pro na mom. Pero sa toilet
Luya.
not so much. Clean like a pro with Mr. Muscle. May easy reach length, remove stuff
Ba't nabusog na ako?
protect from germs, and packed with lavender fragrance. Now you can clean like a pro with Mr. Muscle.
Mga gamit ko yan ah. Waver ko yan ah. May original
Yan ang OG Listen Wafers. Sarap ng rich choco wafers in classic size and king size. Anak mo nga. Listen Wafer. Forever sarap ng bonding.
May fan on.
Never let
Inom na tayong tubig eh. Grabe ka na.
down. Whatever makes you sweat, Rexona boosted amino acid plus
Lami. Kaya.
Isang spray, fresh and dry all day. Mag-Rexona lagi.
Kailangan hot dun gud ang pako kay.
Here's another interesting fact.
Kanin pa ko talaga sana na ko ni makita sa palengke diri sa ano sa
Sick of enjoying my peaceful thoughts.
Faran Church.
Sir? So this is Special Agent Parker, Special Agent Wiley. They'll wait for me.
Pwede ako bumili ng pako kasi bira lang tumakita dito sa ano Manila.
Mr. Deputy Director,
Bira lang yung
my
naglalako.
colleague and I believe that 3 major crime scenes in our area are connected to a single subject, Adam Clay. He killed 6 people today based
So-
on the extensive use of trade graft
Thank you, Lord.
and the nature of his alias. We believe that Mr. Clay is connected to a classified program named Beekeeper. A program that none of our partner agencies seem willing to acknowledge.
Let's stick to what we know, Special Agent Parker.
Miyaw eh.
Sir, in any
Stop.
event, this individual is highly capable and extremely motivated. And we believe that he's on his way to Boston, if not already
Ubusin ko
here.
tong adobo.
We believe that this is his next target, 9 Star United, which appears to be the entity operating the regional call centers like the one that Mr. Clay burned down.
Why is that in play on
Sabi yung pako na ubos ko.
He's, protecting the hive, sir,
Busog na busog
is
ako.
what beekeepers do.
I have enough to the director. What's your ask?
My ask? Well, a SWAT team, for starters. Surveillance support, additional agents, analysts.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you Lord. Busog Lord.
That just happened.
Yeah.
Ang bigat at talaga ng mata ko.
Alright, everybody, listen up. It's roll call time. I'm getting ready for my dick to get hard with some wonderful, beautiful numbers. We start with Phoenix. Where we at? Phoenix is up 201K. 200K on the second dick. I love you. Oh, something. Help me. No, Ricky Hatton. I said New York City's up 64.
Thank you Lord. Busog na ako. Ubos na. Pati yung pako. Yung sabaw. Pinaglagaan ng ano, pako. Pinimplahan ko lang.
All weapons front on entry. We ready? Give me a look.
Oh, ganito ako kumain. Walang arte-arte, no? Magkinamay ka. Ikaw lang kasi mag-isa. Masarap kumain, mga lods, pag ano, nakakamay.
Power down. The province security
Sarap.
here under orders of the governor. State
Thank you.
Department certified to carry weapons in all 50 states.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Feel free to call the
Nagligpit na
highlight
ako.
on us to verify.
Busog na. Thank you Lord.